Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on passcode for your iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So to increase the security of your device and prevent unauthorized access, first go back home by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Then scroll down and tap on Turn Passcode On. Then you need to put in the passcode. By default, it offers you to use a 6-digit passcode. You can tap on passcode options. In here, you can use custom alphanumeric code, custom numeric code, 4-digit numeric code. So I'm going to cancel and we will use 6-digit code. And in here, I'm going to put in just a basic passcode. It said this code is too easy and can be easily guessed. It doesn't matter. It is a test device for me, but for you, you want to put in your custom passcode that no one else can guess what it is. So I'm going to tap on Use Anyway. And I need to put in the passcode again to verify it. And that's it. So we have now verified the new passcode. It asked me to put in my Apple ID before it will finished. Okay, so put in your Apple ID password and the phone will proceed to save the new passcode. So you can see it will take some time. And that's it. So once it is when it has a passcode enabled, then your phone is now protected. So if I turn off the phone and if I want to access my device, I need to put in the passcode to gain access. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.